It's almost Valentine's Day, and I absolutely love fresh flowers, but I can't have them in the house because our cat Calvin likes to eat them. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some preserved roses that hopefully Calvin won't take a liking to because there's no water involved. I think that's why he likes them. I'm also going to give you my honest opinion on their quality. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. I think what's in here might match my fingernails. You'll know which side is the top because it says just for you. This also comes with a beautiful embossed card that you can complete. It does come in a semi-translucent envelope, so you will be able to see what is written on the card through the envelope. These are even more beautiful than I could have imagined. If you couldn't tell by my nails, a royal purple is one of my favorite colors, and these roses are absolutely royal purple. They are beautiful. The color is fantastic. You might be wondering if they smell like roses, and they do not. Their petals, though, do still feel velvety, even after being preserved. If you're looking for a gift for a special occasion, whether that be Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, a birthday, these I would highly recommend. They're so pretty. While they don't smell like roses per se, they definitely don't smell like chemicals or anything harsh. So if you're worried about them having an odor, I wouldn't worry about that at all. You can have them displayed out like this all the time, or you can put the cover on to protect them from dust. They're also secured in the container so they don't spill out if you tip it over. I am really impressed by the quality of these preserved roses.